We are pleased to show you the 2023 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.